the womb and it's only conscious when it exits the mother womb? We don't know. What about their special type of experience like near-death experiences? Is that truly a conscious experience or not? People are investigating that. There are these special cases. This is a case of two girls, little girls, their heads are grown together. They're Siamese twins. And their heads seem to be merged. Their brains seem to be merged at the level of thalamus. So do they have one conscious mind, or do they have two separate conscious minds? It's a very interesting question. We don't know. What about special states like sleepwalking? You know, sometimes people can walk in their sleep. Are they conscious or not? We're not sure. Probably not, but we're not sure. What about the animals that are very, very different from us? So this is a bee. The brain of a bee, as you mentioned yesterday, Your Holiness, is the bee of an insect is much, much, much smaller than ours, but it's very complex. Its numbers of neurons is 10 times, its density, its circuitry is 10 times more complicated than the circuitry here. So why do we assume that a bee is not conscious, like almost everybody in the West does? What about group mind? It's a question that people have asked since hundreds of years. Does it feel like, is there some sort of mind above and beyond the mind of you and me and Carol and everybody else? Is there some sort of Emery Tibetan group mind? So we are, of course, very interested in the question, and then lastly, the question that we discuss a lot now in the West, what about computers that talk? What about cars that have complicated behavior, that can drive themselves, that have sensors, that have motors, that can do planning? If a patient could do everything like one of those cars could do, you would definitely say the patient is conscious. So on the basis of what grounds can we say that car is not conscious? So in summary, we know now that, or we believe that consciousness is associated with certain physical activity in the most complex piece of highly organized matter in the universe, the human neocortex or neocortex in general. We don't yet understand the exact condition that gives rise to consciousness. What are the mechanistic conditions, purely at the mechanistic level? What are the mechanistic physical reasons for